Hello, young artists! Today, get ready to embark on a colorful journey as we draw a charming house using basic shapes and watercolors. Are you excited to create your own colorful masterpiece? Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's begin our artistic adventure. Start by drawing a triangle at the top, which will be the roof of our house. Then draw a rectangle underneath it to form the main part of our house. Don't forget to add a long horizontal line as the ground, a rectangle for the door, and a circle and a triangle for the windows. Now, let's brighten up our scene. Draw a big circle for the sun and some lines as rays of sunlight. Add eyes and a smiling mouth to give our sun some personality and warmth. Next, let's add some more details to our scene. Draw a rectangle as the chimney, a tree with some branches and leaves, and some bushes to decorate our landscape. Don't forget to add some birds flying in the sky to bring our scene to life. Let's make our drawing stand out even more. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. See how it adds that extra touch of charm and definition to our artwork? And now, let's add some color to our vibrant scene. Today, we're going to use watercolors. Grab your watercolor set and let's get started. Red color. Yellow color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Make it by mixing blue and white color. Yellow color. Brown color. Yellow color. Green color. sky blue color. There you have it, a colorful and picturesque scene that you've created with your own hands. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddler's Art Hub for more creative adventures, and share your wonderful artwork in the comments below. Until next time, keep on painting and creating, little artists. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.